Broken Spoke for having us down here, and for all you guys hanging out with us for this afternoon, helping us get a show together. We had short notice to do some stuff here with the Spoke to help launch the Spoke again. We're awful proud to be back in Daytona with the Broken Spoke Open. Give it up for them. For the Cycle Store's Daytona Custom Bike Show 2015 FXR, bike number 20, Jason Grimes. Right over here. In the big twin class, bike number 21, Scott Moretti for his soft tail. This motorcycle came in earlier. We gave it the bagger class, even though it could have fit sports bike too. It was bike number 19, Kerry Cox for a 2005 Buell. We didn't even know it was a Buell when we first looked at it, man. It's an amazing motorcycle. Congratulations. Winner in the Asian import class, bike number 1, Laura Bakari. It's honestly a really cool custom. Tell everybody about it.
It's an 83 Cowie. It's 14 inches